Good morning, children. Today we'll study lesson number 11, light and sound. Okay, before we start our class, tell me, are you able to see in the dark? No, we cannot see in the dark. So let us know more about light. Light enables us to see things around us. It does not have weight or take us up space. It is a form of energy. The sun is the natural source of light. Sunlight makes the day bright. We make use of sunlight to see things. And candles and light bulbs are some man-made sources of light. Thus we get light from natural source and man-made sources too. The objects that give out light of their own are called luminous objects. Sun, candle, and bulb are the luminous objects. Stone, book, bread do not give out light. Objects that do not give out light are called non-luminous objects. Next, light is needed to form a shadow. Something must block the light to form a shadow. Our body also blocks the light and forms a shadow. Here we can see the shadow of an object is formed on the opposite side of the light source. The shadow is smallest at the noon. Next, sound is a form of energy. It is all around us. Without sound, one cannot talk, listen to music, or sing a song. We hear sounds all the time. Now, how is sound made? Let me tell you. When we talk, we make sound. Our tongue helps us to make sound. Sounds are also made by other things. The wind, animals, cars, machines make sounds. Almost everything around us creates sounds. When an object vibrates, it makes sound. Children, sound can travel through air, water, and solid things. Sound needs a medium to travel. So let us know, how does the sound travel through air? When a bell rings, we hear the sound. It proves that sound travels through air. Next, sound can travel through water. You can try this activity at your home. Take a plastic bag filled with water. Here we can see. Place it against your ear. Ask someone to hold an alarm clock against the bag of water. Enjoy hearing the tick-tick sound. It proves that sound can travel through water too. Sound can even travel through solid things. For this, you can try this activity. We need 2 paper cups and a string. Punch a hole in the middle of the bottom of each cup. Tie the end of a string inside the hole of one cup and the other and inside the second cup. Give one cup to your friend and you take the other. Stretch out the string between the cups and talk into your cup. Your friend will be able to hear your voice in the other cup. Here we can see. I think most of you have tried this. It proves that the sound can travel through solid things too. Next, sounds are different. Some sounds are soft, some are loud, some sounds are pleasant, and some are unpleasant. For example, whispering is a soft sound, loudspeaker is loud sound, chirping of birds is pleasant sound, sound from aircraft is unpleasant sound. Next is noise. Noise is loud, unpleasant, and unexpected sound. It disrupts the environment. People living amidst noises continuously may be mentally affected. Too much noise make a person temporarily deaf or permanently hard of hearing. So children, you should not make noise in the class. You should learn to speak softly because too much noise is not good for our health. And always watch television or listen to the music on a low volume so that others may not be disturbed. Okay, now let us revise what we have learned. Light is a form of energy. Light enables us to see things around us. Sun is a natural source of light. Light is needed to make a shadow. Sound is a form of energy. When an object vibrates, it makes sound. Sound can travel through air, water, and solid things. Sound are different: soft, hard, pleasant, and unpleasant. Noise is unwanted sound. Too much noise is bad for our health. So we have completed our chapter 11, and I hope all of you have understood. Okay, I will meet you again in the next class with new chapter. Till then, take care. Thank you.